Hello my dear students and my friends. Whatever you ask the universe always gives you back. So if you're going to say positive things to yourself, that's what you're going to get. These are known as affirmations. So I'm going to say some affirmations. It is much better if you repeat after me because it will sink in your mind. It will go to your subconscious mind and then it will start operating accordingly. So you start with me. I'm amazing. Say that. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Say it. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm powerful. I'm powerful. I'm powerful. You can repeat after me. I'm powerful. I'm powerful. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm confident. I'm courageous. I'm courageous. I'm courageous. I'm courageous. I'm courageous. I'm courageous. I'm focused. I'm focused. I'm focused. I'm focused. I'm focused. I'm focused. I can do this. 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 I'm in charge of my life. 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 Say it after me. I'm in charge of my life. I'm in charge of my life. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Repeat. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Repeat after me. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Now these affirmations, you can do it anytime. Whenever you have free time, whenever you're traveling, you can do these affirmations. It will sink in your mind. But the best time to do the affirmations otherwise is just before you go to sleep in the night, just after you wake up in the morning. After that, just immediately after you wake up, you can do this affirmation. And again, throughout the day, you can do it. It will sink in your subconscious mind and you'll do amazing things in life. For more such affirmations and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Rafiq Pirani. Thanks a lot.